Hello students, today we shall start with the first unit, Vital Statistics. People of a country or the world as a whole are more important than all other living beings. The human population plays a very important role in the development of a country. Hence, its study is very important. B. Benjamin defines vital statistics as: vital statistics are numerical records of marriages, births, sickness, and deaths by which the health and growth of a community may be studied. Vital statistics are the numerical records, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data of vital events occurring in human population. There are two methods of obtaining vital statistics. The first method is the registration method and the second method is the census enumeration method. Registration method. Under this method, vital events such as births, marriages, deaths, etc. are continuously recorded. The government authorities like Gram Panchayat, municipalities, corporation offices, etc. maintain the record of vital events. The second method is the census enumeration method. In most of the countries, population census is conducted usually once in every 10 years. Census enumeration covers data regarding sex, age, marital status, educational status, occupational status, religion, etc., which are needed for vital statistics. The statistical study of human population is called demography. Measurement of population. It is a mathematical method of estimating vital statistics. In this method, estimates are based on the assumption that the growth of population is at a constant ratio during the intercential years. Population for any intercential year can be estimated if the records of births, deaths, and migration are available. The population PT at a time t is obtained as follows. The formula is PT equals P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E, where PT is the estimate of population after time t, P naught is the population in the previous census year, B is the total number of live births during the given period, D the total number of deaths during the given period, I the total number of immigrants, and E the total number of emigrants. We shall see an example. Given the following data, estimate the population of a town at the end of 2013. The population at the end of 2012 is 4 lakhs. The number of births in 2013 is 60,000. Number of deaths in 2013 is 10,000. Number of immigrants in 2013 is 20,000. Number of emigrants in 2013 is 4,000. We have all the given data. We shall substitute these values in the given formula and calculate the population of the town at the end of 2013. The formula is nothing but PT equals P naught plus B minus D plus I minus C. So we have P naught is nothing but 4 lakh, B is 60,000, D is 10,000, I is 20,000 and E is 4,000. Substituting in our formula and calculating, we get population at the end of 2013, that is PT, is 4,66,000. Let us discuss the uses of vital statistics. Vital statistics are of great use in planning and evaluation of economic and social development of a country. They are useful to government agencies for administrative purposes. They are very much useful in medical research. They are essential in demographic research. They are highly useful to an individual by the way of recording birth, death, marriage, and divorce during his or her lifetime. They are also of great use at the international point of view. They are of great use to the government to access the impact of family welfare programs in the country. They are useful in actuarial science. Next, let us discuss fertility. Fertility refers to the births occurring to women of childbearing age. Now, what is the childbearing age? The childbearing age refers to the age of females between 15 and 49 years and is also called as germination period. Fecundity. Fecundity refers to the capacity of a woman to bear children. It is the maximum fertility level that can be attained. Measures of fertility. The different measures of fertility are crude birth rate, general fertility rate, age-specific fertility rate, and total fertility rate. The first one is crude birth rate. It is the simplest method of measuring fertility. It is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1,000 individuals in a year. The formula to calculate crude birth rate is number of live births in a year divided by the average population in the year into 1,000. CBR equals B divided by P into 1,000, where B is the number of live births during a year, P is the average population in the given year. We shall discuss some of the merits and demerits of crude birth rate. Some of the merits of crude birth rate are, it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. There is nothing much complicated. We have to just find the number of live births divided by the average population and into 1,000 and we get the crude birth rate. It does not need detailed information for the computation. It indicates the rate of growth of population due to live births. Now this also has some demerits. Some of the demerits are, it ignores the age and sex composition of the population. This measure of fertility does not specify the age of the live births that we are calculating and even the sex of the people that we are calculating. It takes both men and women population into consideration. It cannot be used to compare birth rates of two or more population. Let us see an example to calculate the crude birth rate. The average population of a town in a year was 1,50,000. In a year, 6,000 live births occurred in the town. Find the crude birth rate. Given P is 1,50,000 and B is 6,000. Given P is 1,50,000 and B is 6,000. CBR equals B divided by P into 1,000. B is 6,000, P is 1,50,000. Therefore, after substituting the values, we get CBR is 40 per 1,000 individuals. Next is general fertility rate. Crude birth rate suffers from a great limitation as it relates to the total number of live births and total population. Since the total number of live births depend upon the population of women of childbearing age, to overcome this limitation, we study the general fertility rate. General fertility rate is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1,000 women of childbearing age in a year. Generally, the childbearing age for women is assumed in between 15 to 49 years. The formula to calculate general fertility rate is number of live births during a year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year into 1,000. That is B divided by summation FP into 1,000. . given general fertility rate has some of its merits and demerits. Some of the merits are, it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It considers only female population of the childbearing age. It considers the sex composition of the population and also the age composition to a certain extent. Some of the demerits are, it does not consider age composition in the childbearing age. It cannot be used to compare fertility rates of two or more population. It does not indicate rate of growth of a population due to birth because it is based on a part of the population only. We shall see an example to calculate the general fertility rate. Given below is the data of women of age from 15 to 49. The number of women and the number of live births is recorded. We shall find the general fertility rate. We shall first calculate the total number of women, that gives us 1 lakh, and the total number of live births, that gives us 7,200. The general fertility rate formula is number of live births during a year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year into 1000. Substituting in the given formula, we get 72 births per 1000 women of childbearing age group. I hope you all have understood till now. Here are a few homework problems. I would like you all students to go through it and work it out. We shall continue the next topic in the next part of the presentation. Thank you.